So let me show you how to add or how to install the missing Samsung calculator app on your Samsung Galaxy A27. So if for some reason you're missing the calculator, you can find it in one of two places. So one of the places you can find it is in the Google Play Store. So if you just search Samsung calculator, you should find the official Samsung calculator on your phone. Okay, and you can tell it's the official one because it's going to be from Samsung Electronics Company. Or you can go to the Galaxy Store, and as long as you're signed in with your Samsung account, you might need to update the Google Store first. So let's go ahead and do that. I mean the Galaxy Store. Then now you can go to the search function, which is at the top here, and search for Samsung calculator. And you also find it here. So from whichever place you find it, this is how you can download and install it on your Galaxy A27. Thanks for watching. Good luck.